Y'all, guess what the month of July is? Y'all guessing?
Ice cream.
Dadgummit, she knew the answer. July is, thank you for talking to me. July is ice cream month. So you know what I'm gonna make? Because I've got my niece Kari coming to town soon. I think she's coming soon. Is she coming for the 4th of July, Eddie?
I don't know. I gave her some dates. I don't know.
Okay.
That's when she chose.
But she and her family love to eat. They love to eat. So I am gonna make ice cream French toast. Casey, a young lady that has been with us for 100 years, but she's not but 40, uses this recipe. And she said, we've never made it. So she said, how about you sharing this? So I said, perfect. We have started out with challah bread. And I've sliced it, pretty thick, inch to an inch and a half. I have melted 1 pint of Haagen-Dazs, but you can use any kind of ice cream that you want, a vanilla ice cream. And we have, Teresa, put it on the porch, but to melt. Now I'm gonna put our bread in here. And I'm gonna let it soak for a few minutes on either side. I'm not gonna use all that because you know what I'm gonna save that for? I'm gonna save that for great greater milkshake and take to her. So I'm not gonna use it all. That'd be a good idea, wouldn't it, Eddie?
Yeah.
She loves her milkshakes. So let's let that soak for a little while. And I was thinking, y'all, this would be a beautiful top with some fresh peaches. I have some fresh peaches somewhere. Eddie, what did I do with them?
Hey, you let them know. I cut them up over the weekend.
Oh, good, good. Some fresh strawberries or fresh peaches. And also, what I would like is a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top, along with fresh strawberries. So you could garnish this in lots of different ways. So y'all be thinking and tell me how y'all decide to serve it, okay? Because I want to know. I want to know what y'all think. I took this off the eye. Eddie, did you see that?
Is it kind of shooting out at you?
Oh no, it's the beauty of it. The beauty. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Yum. I'm gonna serve this on my black cast iron skillet. It's a hoe cake pan. So I'm gonna heat it up a little bit. Put a little butter on it. And the 3 of us are gonna eat it off this skillet, y'all. Okay, that one's ready. Now, if you're cooking for a crowd, y'all, put your oven on about 200 degrees and just keep them warm on a cookie sheet in the oven until you get all the pieces cooked. Uh-oh. I done turned off the wrong one. Y'all ready? Our maple syrup is cold. How'd this get in the refrigerator?
It's real maple syrup. And a big sugar.
You know, we only have the best around here.
Yeah. It doesn't say to refrigerate after opening. Y'all are correct. I never refrigerate it, though.
Well, the other stuff in the pantry, you don't have to. The real stuff you have.
Oh, okay.
Uh-oh. Are we out?
No. It's just thick. Okay, kitties. Eddie, throw that camera down and come eat. I love challah.
I love bread. I love ice cream, whipped cream,
Uh-huh.
maple syrup.
Look.
Really don't think that you can go wrong with this.
I think we need to find Casey and slap her. Give that girl a spanking. Right?
Mm-hmm. That's a good recipe.
There's so many ways you can present it. Come on, eat up.
Well, I am.
With,
You need to finish
my
up.
fork is in the way. All right. I got to find Michael. This is the best French toast I've ever tasted.
I know. You need to tell them goodbye so we can.
My sidekick said I need to say bye. Loving best dishes, and thank y'all for celebrating the month of July, which is ice cream month with me. Come on, Teresa.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.